Whether your lawnmower or rotavator or hedge trimmer or strimmer or any engine, petrol engine for that matter, doesn't start, the first thing you should do is check the spark plug to make sure it's not got oil on it or deposits, carbon, just rubbish basically. So what you should do is you should find your socket, fix it, go through your socket set, find one that fits it. Normally you get spark plug sockets. Put that on there. Just loosen it. Take that. And you'll see on this one, because this rotavator burns quite a lot of oil, there's quite a lot of oil on the plug, which will decrease its performance quite a bit. So what you got to do is just get a wire brush and give it a brush with a wire brush and a cloth to get the oil off. Like this one. Just normal wire brush. You can get spark plug brushes, but make sure you get in all the little crevices, all of there, all around in there, get it all clean. Then give it a wipe off with the cloth. Like that. Nice and clean. You have to be careful if you're going right in there. I didn't go right and get all that out because I didn't have screwdrivers small enough, but if you're going to do that, be very careful because you can damage it. But that's good enough, that's good enough. You can check the gap as well, make sure the gap's as the spec, what the manufacturer specification is for the plug. Once you've got that clean, I used kitchen paper, clean it. You can use a rag or kitchen paper. Once you've got that clean, just put it straight back in. Tighten it with your socket. Put the thing back on. Should start straight up. Like so.